Belle from the Williams-Sonoma Test Kitchen. I love cooking outside, especially on a beautiful day like today, which is why I'm so excited to introduce our new collection of non-stick outdoor cookware. I love this cookware because it's non-stick, which makes it really easy to cook with and clean. Today I'm going to be making a grill-roasted side of salmon with chili lime rub and some fresh summer veggies. To begin, I'm going to set up the grill for indirect cooking, and I'll just add the roasting pan right to the center of the grill and shut it to allow it to preheat. Then we'll prepare our salmon. I'm just going to drizzle it with a little bit of olive oil. I'm going to season it with our chili lime rub that's actually developed right in the test kitchen. I'm going to finish with a little salt and some fresh ground pepper. Now that our roaster is preheated, I'm going to put on the salmon skin side down. A lot of people are afraid of grilling salmon because they're afraid the skin is going to stick, but thanks to the non-stick coating, this will not happen. Perfect. And I'm going to close the grill and let this cook for about 15 to 20 minutes until it reaches a nice medium temperature. While the salmon's cooking, I'm going to prep our vegetables. So I have some asparagus, some shallot. I'm going to add a little olive oil, some parsley and chive, some salt and pepper, of course. I like to use this big flaky salt, especially when grilling. It really absorbs the smoky flavor. The salmon's about 10 minutes away from being done, so I'm going to add our skillet. I like to preheat my skillet so it gets nice and hot. It'll give the vegetables a nice shock, a nice char when they hit the grill. I'm also going to add some lemons, just straight on the grill. I'm going to shut the grill again, allow the skillet to heat up, the lemons to char, and the salmon to finish cooking through. Okay, so our skillet has been heating up for about 5 minutes. I'm just going to add the veg right to it. I'm going to shut the grill and allow them to cook for about 5 minutes. The veggies are not quite done yet, but I'm going to give them a quick toss. Just attach the handle, which makes it so easy, and I don't have to get my hand anywhere close to the heat. We're just about ready. The veggies have about 1 more minute of cook time, so I'm going to add some shaved radishes. Give this a nice shake again. Give those 1 more minute or so. And in the meantime, let's plate the salmon. It looks perfect and it smells amazing already. The skin is not sticking at all. Transfer it right to our platter. Just gonna plate it with some nice fresh arugula. We'll add our grilled veggies. I'm just gonna top it with a little mango salsa, with a nice grind of fresh pepper, and always some finishing salt. And there you have it, a perfect grilled summer meal under 30 minutes. To get this recipe and to learn more about the Williams-Sonoma high heat nonstick outdoor cookware, head to williamssonoma.com. Happy grilling.